Welcome to another Slate Bites video. In this video, we will be showing you how to default and exclude relationship types for soft credits. A single gift can apply soft credits to any number of records. Soft credits can be suggested or defaulted to a record automatically, based on the relationship types associated with a particular record. In Slate, you have the ability to curate your institution's list of relationships. We'll take a look at configuring soft credits using two relationship types: spouse, which will automatically be defaulted to receive soft credit, and friend, which we will want to exclude from even being suggested as a soft credit option. You can see for this example, spouse currently is not defaulted and friend is currently suggested for soft credits. For relation on a record to receive soft credit by default, the relationship must be linked and the relationship type must be configured for defaulting soft credits. To do this, go to Database, go to Prompts, go to your prompt for relationship type, click on the relationship that you want to set up as a default, go to the XML configuration tab. There is a specific PKV code that should be placed here for the relationship types that you want to receive as soft credit by default. Once you add that, click Save. Alternatively, if there are relationship types you would like to exclude from being suggested for soft credits, there is a PKV code that can be placed in this section instead. So click on the relationship that you want to exclude. Again, go to the XML configuration tab and add that PKV code and click Save. For the relationships to show as simply suggested credits, Slate will automatically display all other linked relationships as soft credit options when entering a gift. So now if we go back to that same record and we go to make a new gift, we will now see that the spouse is defaulted and the friend is no longer suggested for soft credits. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe.